And for today, we will going to explore the Thai application Luvlingua, and we will going to identify the names of the Thai animals. So if you want to learn more, just keep on watching. สวัสดีทุกคนครับ and welcome back to my channel. And for today, we will going to continue to explore the Thai application Luvlingua. In our previous lesson, we have already done the Thai places and the Thai foods. And now, let's go on with the Thai animals. But before anything else, if you are new in this channel, I'm teaching local Filipino dialects and basic sign language. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment down below, and hit the notification bell so that you always be updated in our future lessons. Okay? So, what are we waiting for? Let's get started. So now, let us open the Luvlingua Thai application. And let's go back to study course. And we already done the places 1, places 2, food 1 and food 2, and the animals part 1. So now let's go to animals part 2. Okay, so let's begin.
Ma.
So it means a horse. Okay, next one.
Ling.
That means a monkey. Next one.
Nok.
Nok means bird. And as you observe, hindi siya mahirap i-familiarize yung word na nok kasi yung Thai writings niya is yung gokai is just like a bird. Okay? Kung nakikita nyo, na-observe nyo, para din siyang ibon or manok. Okay? Next one.
เสือ
That means a tiger. Okay?
เสือ
And that's a tiger. Next one. Another Thai phrases, but this is already done last in our previous lesson. But let's try.
ฉันชื่อค่ะ ผมชื่อครับ
So that means my name is, and then state your name. And ฉันชื่อค่ะ For example, if I introduce myself in Thai, I say ผมชื่อ Janren Moranos ครับ Okay, and there's always a ka and krap at the end of your sentence to convey politeness. So that's it.
ยินดีที่ได้รู้จักค่ะ ยินดีที่ได้รู้จักครับ
So that means nice to meet you. ยินดีที่ได้รู้จักค่ะ ยินดีที่ได้รู้จักครับ So that means nice to meet you. Next one. Okay, let's play, and it's time to play.
ลิง
It's a monkey.
เสือ
Tiger.
ม้า
Horse.
นก
Nok is a bird.
นก
Nok is a bird. Sua is a tiger.
ม้า
Ma is a horse.
ลิง
Ling is a monkey.
ลิง
In this part, sa observe, mas madali na lang siyang i-identify yung name ng animals kasi naka-romanization naman siya.
เสือ ม้า นก
Nok is a bird.
ยินดีที่ได้รู้จักค่ะ ยินดีที่ได้รู้จักครับ
Nice to meet you.
ฉันขอค่ะ
Chan ko ka is I'd like, please.
ฉันชื่อค่ะ ผมชื่อครับ
That is my name is.
ขอบคุณค่ะ ขอบคุณครับ
Thank you.
ยินดีที่ได้รู้จักค่ะ ยินดีที่ได้รู้จักครับ
That is nice to meet you.
ขอบคุณค่ะ ขอบคุณครับ ฉันขอค่ะ
ฉันขอ Next
ฉันชื่อค่ะ ผมชื่อครับ
that is my name is Yay! And that is the end of our Thai game for today. And congratulations everyone, we've got another 100%. And see you on our next Thai game. And that is the end of our lesson for today, and I hope this video or this tutorial will help you to enhance your Thai vocabulary. And if you want to learn more, just visit the other Thai lessons here on my channel. ขอบคุณมากทุกคน See you on our next Thai lesson. สวัสดีครับ